Most cold emails don't fail because of bad copy. They fail because they never reach the inbox. If you're sending cold outreach from Gmail or Google Workspace, then you're already capped and one spam complaint away from your domain getting flagged. Here's how we fix that. Regular business email isn't built for outbound at scale. Send too much from one address and inbox providers start treating you like spam, even if your message is legit. That's the trap most cold email campaigns fall into. At Email Bouncer, we build dedicated cold email infrastructure the right way. Every domain gets 3 send from addresses, each capped at 20 emails a day, totaling 60 emails of daily capacity, spread safely instead of piled onto one address. This setup comes with a dedicated IP and full authentication with SPF, DKIM, DMARC, and RDNS, all set up for email deliverability and inbox placement. And it plugs straight into any cold email automation tool that you're already using instantly. SmartLead, Apollo, Sales Handy, Mailshake, or any tool that supports custom SMTP sending connections. We handle the integration. So you just focus on sending your cold email campaigns. The flexibility of this system is that it's easily scalable. And if you want to increase your sending volume, all you need to do is add and set up more domains. Same structure for a flat fee of $70 per domain, no matter how many you need. The total setup fee depends on the size of your cold email infrastructure. The more domains you want to set up for, the higher your setup fee. Ready to get started? Visit the link displayed on your screen or tap the link in the description below to place your order, and let's help you set up a reliable, bulletproof cold outreach system today. Your emails should be in your prospect's inbox and not the spam folder. Take action now. Order today. Don't delay.